Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Dicover Cashback checking account statements online. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for bank accounts. Click on your Cashback debit checking account. Then you will see several options at the upper left part of this page. Click on More. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Statements and Tax Forms. Click on Statements and Tax Forms. Now on this page, you will see the list of your account statements. Click on the statement you wish to view. Once the file has been downloaded, open it and you will be able to see your selected account statement. That's how you view your Dicover Cashback checking account statements online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.